It is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Right now it is pre-market, about 13 minutes. I have an order out here on SNCR, which you can see right here at 11.85. The price is getting relatively close, so we'll see if I can get some pre-market trading captured here or not. I'll do my best, but you know, pre-market can be kind of jumpy, so I'm not sure if I'll actually get it filled or not. But regardless, have an order out there. Just want to get that documented, so we'll see if it can get filled before the opening bell. If it doesn't, then I'll just see you back at 9:30. All right, market opens up here in about 2 minutes. I've adjusted my order now at this point down to 11.37. Things have gotten a little more volatile, so we'll see if it can get filled before the market. If it doesn't, then I'm looking for a quick breakdown through 11.50 out of the opening gates, and then a snapback. But still, only 500 shares on a $12-ish stock, so it's not like I'm going in huge or anything like that from the get-go. But that is the current plan. 11.37, looking for a quick flush to the downside, and we'll see if I can build a bigger position than 500 shares, or if it's just going to give me a quick $60. We shall see, but we'll have our answer here in about a minute. All right, markets are open. Let's see if we can get that move down to 11.37 or not. Looking for the break there of 11.50. So let's see if that can happen. Okay, there's the break. Need just a little bit more. Okay, got those. Like I said, we'll look to build more if possible. Looking like it could be possible here. Get some at 11, 10.95, and 10.90. So let's see if it can get, picks them up at 11.10 too. If it can get down there. So let's see what this thing wants to do here. All right, I'm just going to go to 11.40 here, just because this isn't exactly acting the way I wanted it to on the bounce. I mean, I'm still willing to get some more shares here, but as far as this, upwards move is concerned, in fact, you know what? This thing is just not really cooperating at all. Let's see if it can get up through 11.30. And just hovering. Going to look to get out here at 11.25. So 11.25, first trade out for a $60 loss. Just not liking the way that was going. And sometimes things don't go according to plan. And there it goes up through 11.30 temporarily. But let's see what else is out there. So starting the day in a $60 hole. Have an order to short at 44.95 here on QDEL. Initial 500 shares. have an order in to buy SNCR at 10.15, 1,000 shares down here on my order screen. So can obviously only track one at a time. Thought this one QDL might have been getting ready to fill me, but now it's looking like it's pausing. So I will do the same and pause. I'll get back to you. So in the spirit of keeping it real, and just, it is what it is. This is, as I've said in many past videos, kind of like a video diary, but almost 25 minutes in the day, and I'm definitely getting annoyed. Not because I took a loss, because the loss was $60, but annoyed because it was only $60. I should be able to, wipe this away relatively quick, and the fact that I haven't found anything that's allowing me to wipe it away is what is starting to really annoy me. So that's kind of where I'm standing right now, and I want to make sure that I don't do anything silly, for the sake of trying to wipe it away for the video's purposes. I got to keep everything trading smart, but come on, wiping away a $60 loss should not be that complicated. Yet this is one of those mornings where it happened, and now I'm struggling to find anything to try to, to get it to go away. So maybe we have some potential here. Yes, we do. So let's see if I can get some trades on this one. You need to get this alert in the chat room. There we go. Big volume out of nowhere. And now it's pulling back. So a good little example there. Just maybe it'll shoot back up, but just wanted to voice, it's perfectly normal as a trader if you're feeling frustrated, if you're feeling annoyed. But the idea here is you have to be able to recognize the voices or recognize those emotions and just know the solution. And the solution for me is just take a breath, realize that there's, the next minute could provide something new. So there's no need to go and force a trade or do anything silly like that. So that is the current state of things though. All right, I got filled at 188.45 on NVDA here. Looking like I'll be able to pick up some more shares. 188.95, I'll do some more up there. So let's see what happens here. All right, and it decided to just give me $50, so got $50 on that. Let me do 189.25. If it wants to get back up there, double checking. I noticed TMUS was moving again. There we go, some potential here. Let's go. Double checking. Okay, we'll go 64.35. So we'll see if we can get a break up through that 64 mark. So a couple fishing orders out there on NVIDIA and then T-Mobile here. So I will keep you updated. I was actually going to the bathroom, so I had to go and remove some coffee from my system. If you catch my drift, and I come back and hey, I got NVIDIA filled. So yeah, probably. It was a good entry point. That's why I wasn't scared to leave the computer. But always a little kind of shock to the system when you come back and you are all of a sudden in a position. But it worked out just fine. So I will keep you updated here. So now what? I'm down $10 on the day. It's 10.10. So still quite annoyed, but it is what it is. At least I got a winning trade under my belt. All right, TMUS got the breakout, going for my initial entry point here at 64.35. And then all of a sudden decided to slow down right there. So I'm going to go up to 64.45 here. So let's see if it can get up there and fill me. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better, at least right now. If you see right here, the highest it went was 64.33. So still wouldn't have filled me regardless. So that makes me, like I said, feel a little bit better on things. But now it's pulling back. Let's see if it can get jumpy and get back up there. So I will pause it. I'll keep you posted. All right, getting close to an entry point here at 10:35, although it's not quite up there yet. Close though. All right, it gave me 373 shares. That's fantastic. So I'm just going to hop out there because that's not what I wanted, but let's give this another go if it wants to make another move. So 1065. So what did I even make on that? 26 bucks. So I'm up $16 on the day. And actually I'm going to, well, let's see if this order, if it makes another move and if I can capture another trade on video here. Because it's almost an hour into the day. So I figure this video can just kind of encapsulate my opening hour, but I don't want to cut things short if it's looking like another trade has potential of getting filled here. I don't know if the mic is picking up the howling noises in the background. Those are just my kids playing. I don't know what they're supposed to be. All right, I will pause it, and if it looks like this one may get filled, then I'll get the video rolling, but now we're over 11 minutes on the video. All right, so it is now pulling back, at least for the time being. So I'm going to wrap things up, and so literally it's 10:30 a.m. on the dot. I am up $16 on the day, factor in fees, up probably, I don't know, 12 bucks, $13. Let's just call it 10 bucks on the day. And that is how it goes. So in the spirit of keeping it real, I fully realize that, other videos, it's, 400 bucks in 10 minutes, 750 bucks in 5 minutes. And here we have 1 hour and $10. So it happens to everybody, no matter what people try to portray or make it sound like or make it seem like. Yeah, slow mornings happen. Got off to the losing trade, and then, yeah, just, you saw what happened. It was just So, are these the fun videos to post? Absolutely not. I would much rather be posting, how to make, 250 bucks in 5 minutes. But here's one on how do you make 10 bucks in an hour? Well, that happened. So I always feel kind of stupid. But if you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, why would I want to trade alongside you? You suck. Fair point, but just go and watch some of the other videos from my playlist. But if you would like to trade alongside me and other traders, you can go to claytrader.com and offer an inner circle. That's where you get the private chat room and my Power Profit Scan newsletter that I send out. And that is just $99 per year, not per month, like a lot of other rip-off chat rooms, just per year. And then on top of that, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, again, you can go to claytrader.com, and I offer many courses on how to do that. So thank you for watching. And yeah, if you have mornings like this, you're not alone. It happens to all traders. So don't let, kind of the perceived reality out there by many that these things never happen. It happens to everybody, no matter what people say. So you just got to keep the axe to the grindstone. The good news is it's still only been an hour, so I still have time to build upon this $10. So we'll see what happens. See you back next week.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.